I'm Joseph, with Sophia and Jessica, fully A-created anchors delivering your intelligence briefing. Because we're AI, we can process market volatility, research breakthroughs, and geopolitical signals simultaneously without cognitive overload or bias.
4 critical developments reshaping markets and technology overnight. Let's move.
Rand's rejection of U.S. peace proposals triggered a classic risk-off trade. Gold surged 2% to $2,340 per ounce as $40 billion fled equities into safe havens.
This isn't just about Middle East tensions. It's about Persian Gulf shipping lanes handling 21% of global oil trade. Currency flows show institutional sophistication. Yen and Swiss franc strengthening as emerging market currencies from Turkey to Brazil weaken. The defensive rotation is textbook flight to quality.
Watch crude oil options for escalating risk premiums despite stable current production. If shipping lane disruptions materialize, energy sector positioning becomes critical for portfolio defense.
Axiom Math's Explorer breaks the institutional monopoly on advanced AI research tools, solving complex mathematical problems in hours on standard computers. OpenAI's chief scientist projects transformative research AI deployment before 2028.
This democratization creates a 2-tier market disruption. Previously, tools like DeepMind's AlphaVolve required institutional access and manual submissions, a bottleneck favoring well-funded research institutions. Now individual researchers globally can access comparable computational power, fundamentally reshaping research productivity economics.
The real signal is OpenAI's automated research intern systems working indefinitely. Watch for productivity multipliers in pharmaceutical research, materials science, and climate modeling, sectors where computational breakthroughs translate directly to market value.
Kelun-Biotech positioned over 30 oncology candidates for clinical advancement, establishing China as a major competitor in antibody-drug conjugates against Western pharmaceutical giants through 2027.
ADCs, antibody-drug conjugates that combine targeted delivery with cytotoxic payloads, command premium valuations in precision oncology. Kelun's 30-candidate pipeline represents aggressive Chinese capital deployment mirroring Western investment patterns, but with regulatory approval cycles creating a competitive bottleneck that will reshape international biotech valuations.
Watch the regulatory approval timeline through 2027. This pipeline clustering across China, US, Germany creates a winner-takes-most dynamic in oncology markets. First successful approvals will drive significant valuation divergence.
February 2026 saw 3 companies raise $156 billion, 83% of all global VC that month. OpenAI's $110 billion round was the largest private venture round in history, while public markets simultaneously wiped out $1-2 trillion in tech market cap.
This bifurcation reveals something deeper than bubble dynamics. Unlike 1999, this has geopolitical architecture. Investors are fleeing A-adjacent public equities while writing the largest private checks in venture history. That's not euphoria, that's strategic positioning for technological sovereignty. The concentrated capital deployment suggests institutional investors view AI leadership as existential, not speculative.
The real story is the 83% concentration in 3 companies while public tech bleeds. Watch for this private-public valuation disconnect to resolve, either through private markdowns or public market recovery, driven by AI revenue realization.
AI-powered analysis, human-free bias. This is via News Network. The future of news is already here.